Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the JVC model supports Bluetooth or that you have a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter. This matters because older sets lack built-in radios. Power the TV and grab the remote, then open settings and go straight to sound or network. Manufacturers place Bluetooth in different menus. Enable Bluetooth or put the TV into pairing mode so it's discoverable. Doing this first saves time. Once discoverable, your phone or headset can see the TV and begin the pairing sequence. Once the TV is discoverable, put your headphones, speaker, or phone into pairing mode. Watch for blinking LEDs or pairing prompts because devices differ. On the JVC screen, choose Add Device, Scan, or Similar, then pick your device name from the list. If a PIN appears, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234, or confirm the code shown on the phone. Wait for a connected confirmation. Once paired, audio routes through Bluetooth. This step links devices, so make sure both remain close and awake. You finish by selecting Bluetooth as the TV's audio output, and then testing with video to confirm sync and volume. Adjust both TV and device volume. If you notice audio lag, use lip sync or audio delay settings to align sound with picture. Should pairing fail or audio drop out, reboot both units, update TV firmware, unpair and repair, or try a different USB Bluetooth adapter. Many problems stem from incompatible dongles or outdated software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.